I'm Sarah.
And I'm Alan.
We have 2 cats, honeybees, and 3 really big dogs.
We have a bunch of chickens that are roaming free everywhere.
Our dogs run outside and roll around in whatever they want, and whatever they were rolling in outside is now on our bed sheets, and it stinks. So in our laundry room, we have 2 separate washing machines. We have a washing machine for our regular clothes and a separate washing machine that was just for our dog towels and dog beds and also our outdoor stuff because the smell is just always there. Using Lysol Laundry disinfectant has really helped to get rid of all of that bacteria, germs, and just the outdoor stench.
Just through one simple wash, you can smell the freshness after. We are definitely an outdoors type of family. Being out here, we get to live our best life by having meaning in what we do. The time that we're saving allows us to go back out there and just keep doing what we love to do every day.